The Ubersense app is really basic to use. It's actually quite simple. It has all the key features that a video recording software should have. It lets you edit on the fly, as well as add shapes and diagrams to the picture in order to get the angles needed to make corrections for the athlete. The small scrubbing wheel is pretty easy to use. I feel that the Ubersense app is pretty usable in clinical practice, especially with athletes who have chronic issues, chronic knee pain, chronic ankle pain, chronic hip pain. We can use the app to see how their connected chain lines up, and maybe we can fix one of the issues that is causing them the pain. We can also use it just to increase performance for the athlete if someone wants to run faster or jump higher or shoot better, things in that nature. Ubersense can be used to perform a gait analysis. We can use that gait analysis to bill for services such as gait retraining or specific exercise rehabilitation and treatment for the injury that they come in with. They may not even be injured. We can use it to bring in new people and get better business and more business. Ubersense is objective and measurable to a degree. You have to make sure that the iPad's level. You have to make sure that you're the same distance away from the athlete every time you film in order to make the correct adjustments at different points throughout the rehab process. You want to make sure that the iPad's not tilted in any way. It can skew the results. And also, it's hard to find a treadmill with a good side view, so there's some limitations there with its objectiveness. There's definitely room for improvement, and I think just a visual examination can also be useful along with the Ubersense. There was a few challenges using the Ubersense app. My main challenge was finding a treadmill that had a decent view from the side. A lot of them have arms that get in the way. You can't see the greater trochanter when you're trying to use angles and things of that nature. It proved difficult using the touchscreen at times, getting the angle lined up right. They don't have a very good system for moving around the angles. Once I set an angle, I should be able to move it, not just have to redraw a new angle. Also, it got pretty blurry at times, especially during heel strikes when the foot's coming down very fast. Some improvements could be made there, just rendering issues. Selecting exercises based off of the findings I got from Ubersense was pretty easy, but it took a bit of time to figure out. I had to do some extra research in order to figure out what was really wrong with the athlete that I was looking at. What is proper running gait, and should we change things based off of the findings we got, or is that normal for them? So it was somewhat easy and somewhat difficult altogether.